fear or fear is? Alakveer, would you like to tell us what you think about fear or greed?
Okay, so fear is like Darna, and greed is like very. How should I tell you?
When tell me a situation when you become greedy.
Okay, I become greedy when like I want ice cream
Okay,
and something like that, like chocolates and like that.
okay. Pradeep sir, what do you think about fear and greed?
For us, fear is like the things you avoid doing. You love doing is everybody is doing. But if you avoid doing something that helps you, कि यार उससे डर लगता है. That's the fear. And when you greed is when you love something, doing it, eating it, or spending habits, whatever it is. If you love something but you are overdoing it,
Yeah.
and you want something in return, maybe some benefits, maybe some entertainment, you're overdoing it. Like I love watching TV, but if I watch TV whole the day, that's a greed. Watching half an hour, 1 hour is okay, right? And after watching TV, now I have fear that आंखें खराब हो जाएगी.
Hmm.
That's a fear, right? Perfect.
Thank you. And Manshi, what do you think fear or greed is?
Emotion. Fear is an emotion, and just like danger or threat,
Yeah.
and fear, a natural human can lead to avoidance, panic, or defensive actions, and greed, a strong desire for something. And all. Thanks.
Okay, so now when we know what you think about fear or greed, let us move on to what
Hello,
let us
Kavya.
hello, sir.
Yeah, I asked my daughter to join your class, and she's also in your class. Say hi, Vedika. Vedika, switch on your camera and hello. Ask hello to Kavya.
Hi, Vedika. Can't see you, Vedika. Switch on your camera.
Welcome Vedika to the group.
Vedika,
Hello.
switch on your camera and ask hello to Kavya.
Hi, Kavya.
Hi. So, uh, fear and greed from the point of view of the rich dad is firstly, yes, there are three kinds of fear that the rich dad tells us about. Firstly is the fear of poverty. Fear, what do you think about fear of poverty? Poverty is being poor and not having money. Now, fear pushes people to do jobs that they don't like. कि मुझे डर लग रहा है आज कि अगर कल मेरे पास पैसे नहीं हुए, how will I pay my bills? How will I earn money to eat? Right? मुझे खाना खाने के लिए पैसे चाहिए एंड बिजली चलाने के लिए पैसे चाहिए. So, to live my life, I need money. And money कहाँ से आएगी? From a job or working for someone, working for something. That is when that heavy fear of poverty pushes you to do jobs that you don't like. Like let's say I want to become an artist, but being an artist, it would take time for me to earn money, and I may also fail in that business. But if I become an engineer, if I become a doctor or a lawyer, I will earn money, a good sum of money, and that is how I will continue living my life. But I don't understand what a doctor does. I don't understand what an engineer does. तो क्या मुझे एक engineer बनना चाहिए? नहीं. But why will I become an engineer? Because it is the fear of being poor that makes me do all those courses that an engineer does and become an engineer to earn good money. Now, because I am doing a job that I don't like, obviously I wouldn't want to do it, but I have to do it, and that is why I will be stuck in the rat race. I wake up every morning, I go to my job, I have my breakfast, I go to the job, I come back home, have my dinner, and sleep. And I repeat that every day. Why? Because at the end of the month, मुझे पैसे कमाने हैं to have something to eat the next month. Now this ठीक है, अब उनके पास they work hard for money. फिर क्या होता है? They think that इतनी मेहनत कर रहा हूँ मैं, then I want to have a big house, I want to have a big party, I want to throw out a big party, I want a good car, I want a good phone, I want good clothes. इस वजह से that is when greed comes into place. अब greed की वजह से वो क्या करते हैं? वो अपने सारे कमाए हुए पैसे they spend all that money into waste things, totally waste things. So they go to job, earn money. Why? Because they have the fear of being poor. Then that fear of being poor makes them work hard. When they work hard, they think they need something good, and something good makes them spend all their money. Now the fear of failure. They think fear stops people from taking risks. बचपन से हमें कहा गया है don't take risks, especially when it's about money. पैसे बचा के रखो, पैसों को ऐसे कहीं पे भी खर्च मत करो. Why? Because even the people who teach us, they have the fear of failure. They fear from starting again. They fear from investing because उनको लगता है कि यहाँ से मेरे पैसे खो सकते हैं. They prefer the comfort of doing nothing, but just getting up every morning, going to the job, coming back home and sleeping. तो ये जो cycle बनती है of this duo is a deadly cycle. आप काम करते हो, पैसे कमाते हो, आपको कोई और एक Lamborghini में जाता हुआ दिखता है, then you want that Lamborghini, you spend your money on that Lamborghini, and you start over all again. You wake up the morning, you go to work hard, and then why do you go to work hard? Because you have a fear. And then when you earn, you spend all that money from the place where you worked hard into something that is waste. Then the third principle is the fear of judgment. Now, you may not want someone to think about you that you are not rich, or you're not wealthy, or you do not have enough money. Why? Because that's the FOMO, fear of missing out. अब क्योंकि ताकि लोग आपको ये ना बोले that you are not successful or stuff, आप successful दिखने के लिए you will buy an iPhone. Successful दिखने के लिए you will buy a big bungalow. Successful दिखने के लिए you will buy a good car, good clothes, fashionable clothes, and all those things to impress others. Now these three things are what you fear of. First thing is poverty, second is failure, and third is judgment. You don't want people to think you are poor. You don't want to lose everything, and you want to live a good life, and that is why you want to earn money. And the third thing, you do not want to lose whatever you have right now. That is the fear of failure. अब इसमें एक चीज आती है. Let's talk about an analogy, which is the mouse and the cheese. Now, this thing, imagine एक mouse है in a corner. दूसरे corner में there's a cheese, and that's looking very yummy, very delicious, very tempting. और उस mouse और उस cheese के बीच में there are many traps. Okay, so if the mouse wants to just walk through the way and get the cheese, he wouldn't be able to, क्योंकि बीच में बहुत ज्यादा traps है, वो फंस जाएगा. अब माउस को किसी ने बोल दिया वर्क हार्ड वर्क हार्ड वर्क हार्ड. माउस ने सोचा ठीक है, लेट्स ट्राई वर्किंग हार्ड. माउस वो जो चूहा था, it took a step ahead and he got stuck into that trap. अब वो फंस गया. Now tell me, if you were that mouse, अगर आप एक कोने में खड़े थे, वहां पे सामने कोई चीज है जो आपको चाहिए, let's call that a cheese, a piece of cheese, and you really want that. और बीच में बहुत ज्यादा ट्रैप्स पड़े हुए हैं, बट समवन सेज कि बस आगे बढ़ो, यू नीड टू वर्क हार्ड, यू वॉक अ स्टेप, वहां पे एक ट्रैप है, आप उस ट्रैप में फंस गए, क्या अगला स्टेप आप लोगे? विल यू टेक द नेक्स्ट स्टेप? यस और नो?
No,
नो. Why will you not take that step? The reason.
because we can again be stuck in the next trap.
Exactly.
Fear of failure.
Yes. This is when you fear, आपको डर लग जाता है कि मैं पहले स्टेप पे ही फंस गया हूं, तो अगले स्टेप पे मैं कैसे पहुंचूंगा चीज तक? Now this is what the fear is. You are stuck in a job that you don't like because you are chasing money without realizing the danger. आप उस ट्रैप में फंस गए हो और आपको वहीं पे रहना पड़ा है, आप उस चीज के लिए भाग रहे हो जहां तक आप कभी पहुंच ही नहीं पाओगे, राइट? And that is when this cycle comes into place, which is the rat race, which we talked about yesterday. When you work every day hard because of the fear of not having money. Now, once you get that money, greed comes into place, and that greed makes you buy more things, which are, greedy में जब आप greed में होगे तो आप क्या ही खरीदोगे? You wouldn't buy some reliable stuff. Instead, you'll go and buy a big new car, a new phone, a new laptop that you don't need. Then comes greed. Yes. Now, greed क्या होता है? The time when you are greedy, when you really want something, and most of the time, the thing that you want is not very important for you. तो greed exactly क्या होता है? It wants you to buy, it makes you want rewards. Now, the first thing is instant gratification. Instant gratification क्या होता है? It's something very fun, but instant gratification सुन के बहुत ऐसे डरावना सा वर्ड है बहुत. But the thing is, instant gratification is when greed makes you want to buy rewards now. मतलब आपके पास एक अच्छा फोन है, वो अच्छे से काम कर रहा है अभी, इट्स नॉट इवन 2 whole years ऑफ यूजिंग दैट फोन, बट आपको एक नया फोन अभी चाहिए. क्यों पता नहीं, लेकिन अभी चाहिए. नाउ दिस प्रिवेंट्स यू फ्रॉम सेविंग और इन्वेस्टिंग योर मनी फॉर लॉन्ग टर्म गेन्स. लाइक just let's say you recently bought something new. Let's say you recently bought a shirt, but then the next day you saw someone else wear some a different kind of dress, and you want that. Market में जाओगे, खरीद लोगे. Why? You could have wore that old shirt again because it's not even a few days of buying it, but you will buy that new dress and you don't know the reason, but you just bought it because you wanted it. That is greed. And let's take an example. आप बाहर जाते हो, like just imagine yourself walking into your streets. एक दुकान के बाहर, let's say it's a toy shop, okay, a very tempting, a toy shop. वहां पे लिखा हुआ है सेल सेल सेल. वहां पे आपको डिस्काउंट मिल रहा है, 50% का डिस्काउंट मिल रहा है. खरीदोगे ना? ऑब्वियसली यू विल वांट टू बाय दैट टॉय, राइट? बट द थिंग इज, घर पे इतने सारे टॉयज पड़े हुए हैं, दैट होल पिगल मेरा, उसमें पूरे टॉयज भरे पड़े हैं, ठीक है? खेलते नहीं हो आप उनसे, पुराने हो गए ना, इसलिए नहीं खेलते हैं. बट देन व्हेन यू सी दैट न्यू थिंग, शाइनी, वेरी कलरफुल पॉपिंग टॉयज, यू वांट टू बाय देम. एंड एक और एडवांटेज है, आप तो अपने पेरेंट्स को मनवा भी सकते हो खरीदने के लिए कि सेल चल रही है ना वहां पे, तो 50% ऑफ, 50%, नॉट इवन वंस इन अ ईयर, 50% ऑफ. तो आप अपने पेरेंट्स को लेके गए अंदर, यू सी ऑल दोस टॉयज 50% ऑफ, ओके, खरीद लिया आपने. बट नाउ टेल मी, अगर आपको उन टॉयज की सच में जरूरत थी, तो आप उनके टॉयज के लिए थोड़ा वेट भी कर सकते थे, है ना? 100% पैसे देके खरीद सकते थे अगर आपको सच में जरूरत थी. फर्स्ट थिंग, आपको उनकी जरूरत नहीं है, फिर भी आप 50% में खरीद रहे हो. सेकेंड थिंग, आपको उनकी जरूरत है, तो आप चाहे 10x पैसे दे के भी खरीद लोगे. If it's ₹100 toy, you're getting it for 50. Okay, now that greed makes you buy it for 50. But अगर आपको उस चीज की सच में जरूरत है, तो 10 दिन बाद आके आप उस चीज को ₹1000 में भी खरीद लोगे. क्यों खरीदो? क्योंकि आपको उसकी सच में जरूरत है. Now, let's say you have bought a gym equipment. ठीक है, आपने उसके घर पे वर्कआउट करेंगे, बॉडी बनाएंगे. You bought a gym equipment. Why? पहली चीज तो सबके पास वो थी, fear of missing out. दूसरी चीज 50% में बिक रही थी, घर पे ले हमने खरीद ली. ठीक है, बट टेल मी, अगर आपको सच में उसकी जरूरत थी, आप 3 दिनों के बाद वापस आते वहां पे, मतलब आप द नेक्स्ट टाइम व्हेनेवर इट हैपेंस, द नेक्स्ट टाइम व्हेन यू सी समथिंग एट ऑन अ सेल, खुद से पूछो, डू यू रियली नीड दैट? इफ नो, वहां से चले जाओ एंड डोंट एवर लुक एट दैट शॉप अगेन. इफ यू नीड दैट, खुद को बोलो कि आई विल कम एट दिस प्लेस 3 days लेटर, जब यहाँ पे सेल नहीं चल रही होगी, वापस आना उस जगह पे, एंड इफ यू रियली नीडेड दैट, उसको खरीद लेना. ओके, एंड देन आस्क योरसेल्फ आफ्टर 1 month इफ यू रियली यूज्ड दैट थिंग. जो जिम इक्विपमेंट आपने खरीदी थी, 10 दिनों के बाद उस पे कपड़े सूख रहे होंगे. ओके, यू नॉट गोना यूज दैट. डिस्काउंट में खरीदी थी, यू वोंट वैल्यू इट. फ्री में मिल गई कोई चीज, उसकी वैल्यू नहीं करेंगे, ऐसे ही फेंक देंगे. ओके, एंड फिर लेट्स से, लेकिन अगर आपने 10 दिनों के बाद जाके वो इक्विपमेंट खरीदी होती, आपको सच में उसकी जरूरत थी, आपने उसको यूज किया, काफी यूज किया, तो वो चीज आपके घर में ऐसे ही पड़ी हुई नहीं होगी. क्यों? आपने उसको एक तो पूरे पैसों में खरीदा है, आप बोलोगे मुझे पैसे वसूल करने हैं. तीसरी चीज, आपका फायदा ही तो हो रहा है उसको यूज करके, राइट? सो यू don't want to waste your money on something that you don't need, especially जब वो कम दाम में मिल रही है. The second thing is the greed for more. Now, आपके पास, आपने सोचा कि मेरे पास रेड, ओके लेट्स से यू बॉट दोज छोटे वाले डॉम्स के मार्कर्स आते हैं ना, कलर्स, द 10 rupee पैक. वो आपने यू डिडंट हैव दैट. ओके, एंड यू रियली वांटेड देम. आपने रिक्वेस्ट की पेरेंट्स से दैट प्लीज बाय मी दोज कलर्स और स्टफ. आपको वो मिल गए. देन उनको यूज करने के बाद आपको एक और चीज दिखी ऑन यूट्यूब शॉर्ट्स, लेट्स से वो डॉम्स इज नाउ सेलिंग वाटर कलर स्केच पेन्स. किसी को नहीं पता उसमें वाटर कलर का क्या नाम है, मतलब क्यों नाम है उसमें, वाटर कलर का क्या काम है, बट इट्स सेलिंग दोज वाटर कलर स्केच पेन्स. अब यू थिंक खरीदने पड़ेंगे ना, यू हैव टू. तो आप चले गए बाहर, खरीद के ले आए दोज वाटर कलर स्केच पेन्स which are just normal sketch pens. Then a few days later, you see these things called Posca markers. Oh my god, these are so famous now. अब तो ये तो खरीदने ही है, Posca markers, definitely. चले गए, खरीदने आ गए, ठीक है. एंड वो जो 10 रुपए वाले मार्कर्स थे, you never use them ever, you know, उस दिन के बाद आपने उनको कभी यूज नहीं किया. देन आ गए acrylic markers. They work on black paper. They work on every surface you can ever find. कहीं पे भी चल जाएंगे. चले गए खरीदने वो भी, है ना. पोस्का मार्कर्स को भूल गए, वाटर कलर मार्कर्स को भूल गए, सब कुछ भूल गए. अब हमारे पास एक्रिलिक मार्कर्स है, we'll use them. अगले दिन आप उठे, आपने देखा नोटिफिकेशन आई आपके फोन में, है ना, you've got those new things called alcohol markers. 48 shades of alcohol markers. Wow. 48 shades, मतलब like a dream, है ना. But somehow you managed to get them. अब मुझे बताओ, did this really happen with you? जो चीज मिल रखी है नॉर्मल है, जो चीज चाहिए वो लेनी है, जो चीज अब जो आपको चाहिए थी वो आपको मिल गई, और जो चीज मिल गई वो तो नॉर्मल ही है ना, तो जो आपको मिल गई वो नॉर्मल है. So the next level, whenever you reach, whenever you upgrade something that you have, you're not happy with it. उस एक दिन की खुशी होती है, and the next day you forget it. You totally forget it. This is the greed for more. The mindset of I will be happy when I have those markers. Keeps you running for material things, for material possessions, instead of focusing on meaningful things. Okay. Now, how to overcome this thing? Just, look at what you really have. If that's not working, अगली बार से आप वहां पे मत जाना उस चीज को खरीदने. Okay. Just stop your mind from being happy when you're going to buy that thing and not being happy when it's just kept beside you. Now, this is a story, a traditional story. एक monkey होता है ना? और इन ग्राउंड में मिट्टी के अंदर एक पॉट रखा हुआ है. उसका मुंह बहुत छोटा है. एक पॉट रखा हुआ है, उसके अंदर there's something very good in the jar, in the pot. Okay, like something that monkeys like. एक बंदर आया वहां पे, उसने देखा कि there's this pot and उसके अंदर कुछ अच्छा है. You see, the monkey sees it. उसने अपना हाथ अंदर डाला. He grabs, let's say उसके अंदर there were chickpeas, चने थे उसके अंदर. He puts his hand inside. He grabs as much as he can and he tries to pull out his hand. But pot का जो मुंह था वो बहुत छोटा था. His hand couldn't come outside. Because when he put his hand, उसका hand पतला सा था, ठीक है. When he put his hand, it was so thin that he was able to put his hand. But then when he was trying to get it out, his hand was full of those grains. And so उसका हाथ बाहर नहीं आ पाया. उसने बहुत कोशिश की, उसने बहुत मेहनत की, but he couldn't. Okay, and he really wanted those things. It was greed that was letting him do all this. Just then, a hunter came and shot that monkey. Greed can make you die. Okay, वो चाहता तो अपना हाथ निकाल सकता था उन grains को छोड़ के, but he didn't because he wanted them. He really wanted them. Now, greed works the same way. It traps you to hold into things that you don't need, but you want them. That's what we discussed yesterday, the wants and the needs. So these two things, they work like a deadly, that thing we say, partner in crime. Fear and greed are partners in crime, and they can really make you start all over again. Now, the next thing that comes in is ignorance. Ignorance क्या होता है? When you are not saying the truth to yourself and you are ignoring those two emotions, fear and greed. अब आपके पास fear भी है, आपके पास greed भी है. आपको fear किस चीज का है? कि मुझे पैसे चाहिए, so you're working in a job that you don't like. Greed किस चीज का है? कि पैसे आ गए, अब I want that shiny thing, that shiny object. उसमें आपके पैसे खत्म हो जाते हैं. एंड इस चीज को आप कंटिन्यू करते रहोगे, सो यू आर डेफिनेटली इग्नोरिंग द फियर एंड द ग्रीड. द फर्स्ट थिंग यू आर इग्नोरिंग इज मनी मैनेजमेंट. यू आर इग्नोरिंग दैट वो जो शाइनी चीज है आपको उसकी जरूरत नहीं है. यू नीड टू टेल योर सेल्फ कि आई डोंट रियली वॉन्ट दैट थिंग, बिकॉज यू डोंट. इट्स नॉट दैट हम ऐसे ही बोल रहे हैं just so that you can save your money. But the thing is that you really don't want that thing and you should be happy with what you have. Ignoring the truth. अब खुद को, people say that I don't have interest in money. मुझे पैसों के लिए कोई interest नहीं है, I'm not into stuff for working hard, earn more money, ठीक है. मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ता मेरे पास कितने पैसे हैं कितने नहीं है. But still, the same people wake up every morning, go to their 9 to 5 job and work really hard, come back home and sleep just so that they can get up every other day. So do you really think कि उन्हें फर्क नहीं पड़ता है उनके पास कितने पैसे हैं या फिर the much that they're earning, the much that they're spending? No, right? उन्हें फर्क पड़ता है, इसलिए वो सुबह उठते हैं, अपनी 9 to 5 जॉब पे जाते हैं, they work for 10 hours a day, come back home, थक के सो जाते हैं Okay, and then just so that they could get up every other day again, the next day again. Now, what something another thing, now they don't know कि investing क्या होता है, budgeting क्या होता है, compounding क्या होता है. इसीलिए, that is also fear. This is why they don't, they say कि नहीं मुझे, I don't want to invest my money, I don't want to budget, I don't want to do my finances, because वो उस टॉपिक को टालने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. The only thing they know about money is that money can buy you stuff to impress others, and money can buy you daily का bread and butter, daily की जो रोटी आप खाते हो. And what they don't know is that they can make so much money in just a few years कि उन्हें, उनकी जो अगली जनरेशन है उन्हें कभी काम करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. Now, another thing that they ignore is they ignore the future. They fail to plan for their retirement or their emergencies because उन्हें उस बारे में सोचना ही नहीं है. वो रिटायर होने के बाद क्या करेंगे? गवर्नमेंट जॉब में तो पेंशन आती थी, अब पेंशन भी नहीं आती है. या पहले पेंशन आती थी, अब पेंशन भी नहीं आती है. तो अब they really need to think about their retirement, but they won't because they don't want to. Retirement के बाद what they barely do is, जब वो नए घर में शिफ्ट हो जाते हैं, पुराने घर को उन्होंने रेंट पे लगा दिया, 20,000 आ रहे हैं, they have to survive in that 20,000 rupees every month. अब वो अपनी जिंदगी जी नहीं रहे, they're not living, they're surviving. और जो पहले वो चीजें खरीदे थे ना EMI पे, they've bought a car, they've bought a Gucci, they've bought Nike and stuff, उससे भी उन्हें पे करना है. So they're barely surviving their life. And emergencies कभी भी हो सकती है. So they say कि हाँ म्यूचुअल फंड है, हो जाएगा काम. एक FD है मेरे पास 20,000 की, 30,000 की, हो जाएगा काम. रिटायरमेंट के बाद भी वो उन चीजों को इग्नोर कर रहे हैं that they really shouldn't do. Now, you might have heard of ostriches, right? Ostriches को जब डर लगता है, what they do is they put their neck into the sand, and they think मुझे कुछ नहीं दिख रहा है, किसी और को कुछ नहीं दिख रहा है, I'm free. But what they don't see is that they are ignoring the danger. The ostrich buries its head in the sand thinking that danger will go away because मुझे तो नहीं दिख रहा है ना, then why do I have to care about it? Ignorance about financial literacy works the same way, the literally same way, okay? If you avoid about learning about money, and if you hope that things work, they won't. Okay? Because अगर आप छुप जाओगे अपने finances से, आपकी finances आपके पीछे भाग रहे हैं, okay? They're ready to ruin you if you don't think about them. Now, a very profound thing from the book is that these, the पहले chapter में ही ये सारी चीजें, it gets so complex, but if you understand them, they are so easy. If you really want to understand them, just read this paragraph once and tell me what do you understand from it, because this is the core. This is where it all starts. I'm giving you just 1 minute and just read this paragraph, okay? Have you done reading? Just show me thumbs up.
Yes, done.
Okay. So, yeah, you see that pink colored highlighter? I got that because of the fear of missing out. Okay, I wanted beautiful notes in my notebook, so I got that pink colored highlighter. Anyways, just this paragraph tells you why actually most people, they are stuck in that rat race. Look, people go to college for 4 whole years. वहाँ पे वो क्या सीखते हैं? About how they're going to work in a job. If I want to do arts, मैं सीख रही हूँ वहाँ पे, I'm learning about dance, I'm learning about music, I'm learning about how to draw, and बड़े होके क्या करना है वही करना है, right? If I'm learning BTech, I'm learning how to do a business. मैं वही चीज सीख रही हूँ जिससे मुझे बाद में पैसे मिलेंगे. Now, if देखो, when you grow up, you want to earn money, obviously. These people, the school, the college, they're teaching you for 16 whole years of your life and even more about what are you going to do when you grow up. They're not teaching you about what you want to earn. They're not teaching about money. Instead, they're teaching you about how to do this specific job. देखो, बड़े होके पैसे कमाने हैं, पैसों के बारे में सीखो ना. Why are you learning who is Napoleon Bonaparte? Okay, I really don't like speaking this guy's name. I don't know who he is. Napoleon Bonaparte. Yeah. Now, to get their paycheck, balance their checkbooks, and that's it. That's where their lives end. They know how to code an application. That's it. They earn their paychecks by coding it. That's it. They think that more money will solve their problems, but it's not. Dekho, if I give you just a minute. If I, or not me, if your parents give you, let's say 10,000 rupees today, cash, 10,000 rupees cash. Just imagine that beautiful moment, your parents lending you 10,000 rupees in your hand, and they're telling you to save it, or they're telling you to keep it safe. Not save it, keep it safe. आप क्या करोगे? You might put it into your bag or a purse or a box, something, okay, and keep it. But you think they didn't, okay, I mean, they said that you're free to use them wherever you want to. कोई बांध नहीं रखा है उन्होंने कि don't buy this thing or that thing, but you have to choose what you buy. So one day you thought कि I want to eat something from my school canteen. You take out 500 rupees, you go to your school canteen and you spend it there. Not all of it, you might save a bit, okay, and you spend a bit. Then what happens? Say you bought something for 320 rupees. How much will they give you back? Let me calculate. 180 rupees. Yeah. They'll give you back 180 rupees. Somehow, वो लास्ट में जो 20 रुपी का एक नोट दे रहे थे वो कहीं खो गया. उन्होंने आपको हाथ में दिया, you counted it, it was 180 rupees, but that 20 rupee note, you lost it somewhere. You said कि okay, किसी को I still have 10,000 rupees, right? तो किसी को पता नहीं चलेगा. I'll just not tell this thing to anyone that I lost 20 rupees today. I'll make sure that I don't do this mistake the next time. Okay. Now, a few days later, you wanted to buy something, you took out some money, and what happened? You just bought it. You didn't lose anything this time. You come back home, you keep the rest in your box, and just that moment, your parents call you and tell you, ask you, make me a list of whatever you spent from the past month or stuff. So you're pretty scared. You think that they were looking at you all the time, managing that money. But okay, you made a list. उन 20 rupees को कहीं पे ऐसे fit करके you hid it from that, from your parents again, ठीक है? Because you don't want to ruin the moment, something. Okay, some of us might tell them, but still ऐसे we'll try to hide it, and then कभी खुल के फिर बता देंगे उन्हें. Let's see. Now you yourself inside कि मैंने 20 rupees खोए हैं. Okay. The next time what happens, so जो 10,000 rupees थे इतने सारे आपके पास, you were not able to manage them. Why? Because आपके पास एक डर बैठ गया, 20 rupees खो गए मेरे. What if the next time मेरे पास एक 500 rupees का नोट खो गया तो? So you swear to yourself that you're not going to use those left rupees ever again unless your parents tell you to. So whatever sum you have of money, sum of money you have now, you just keep it and you don't touch it ever again. फिर क्या हुआ, आप बड़े हो गए, you get a job and stuff. You get a job, now you get your first salary. What you have to do is you have to manage that money. अब पहले क्या हुआ था, that hidden thing वो आपके पेरेंट्स के सामने आ गई थी. Somehow that thing also was known by your friends, by your school friends, by the ones in the society, by the people, by your neighbors. Okay, and they were all like 20 रुपए खो गए ऐसे तो, क्योंकि मजाक तो बनाएंगे ही अब. Even if it's just 20 rupees, they'll tell you कि 20 रुपए खो गए and stuff. अब you'll be scared of that one thing कि 20 रुपए खो गए, क्या करूं मैं? The next time you will be scared. You have that fear of not losing money, and so you will hide from your expenses. You'll hide from your finances, and you wouldn't want to touch your money again. But then you have an income, you have to earn, you have to spend, take care of your expenses, savings. You have to keep your money safe that your parents told you. That fear will make sure that you never again take some 500, even 500 rupees for you. You get it out and you invest it somewhere. बचपन से वो जो डर आपके अंदर था, that makes you not trying to lose your money again. And that is why most of us on this earth, on this whole big fat earth, are not investing. Now, we have to end, a bit early now, before 9. So we'll continue this tomorrow. We'll surely continue this tomorrow. But one thing that I want you to do is, just when I end this meeting, promise me you will recognize your fears and confront them. Just imagine your parents giving you 10,000 rupees. Plan everything. How many are you going to use each day or stuff? Whatever you're going to do with those 10,000 rupees, write it down somewhere and ask yourself, is this really what you are going to do? ऐसा भी तो हो सकता है कि 10,000 की आप साइकिल खरीदने चले गए बाहर. Okay? Just plan your 10,000 rupees, and the next time, whenever you get this opportunity, whenever someone's giving you some money, make sure कि that thing that you had written is really happening. You don't want to spend it somewhere. Okay? So recognize your fears, confront them, and I'll ask this question to you the next week, the next Monday, that did you confront your fears? Okay. Also, you have to control your greed by focusing on the needs and not the wants. So the next Monday, I'm going to ask you these two questions. The first one is that, are you focusing on your needs more than your wants? Okay, remember this. I'm not just saying this for the sake of saying this. I'm saying this for the sake of you and your finances. Make sure that you take care of your greed. You do not let it ruin your day. Make sure that you're focusing on your needs. And the second thing, you have to recognize your fears and confront them. Because देखो, अगर आज ये बात हो गई, okay, let's say इस हफ्ते में ये बात हो भी गई कि आपके 10 रुपए या 20 रुपए खो गए, you have that fear. बड़े होके you'll still have that fear and you won't be able to confront it. Is it true or not? Right? So
Yes.
confront any of your fear, if that's speaking, whenever you're walking, बस ऐसे खड़े खड़े बोलने लग जाओ. Okay. And that is the true way to confront your fear of speaking. Okay. So the next week, I'll ask you these two questions. I'm repeating it again. Confront your fears and control your greed. So that's it for today, teens. Let's get the right financial literacy and not just material wealth. That's me, Kavyanjali Raval, signing off until tomorrow. Bye bye.
Bye. Have a nice day.
Thank you.
Bye. Have a nice day. Have nice
Bye.
day. Thank you.
Bye. Thank you so much.